Alright guys, thanks to JD from JD's Water World. He did a ton of testing with our spring mod kit, as you see here. We really want to give you guys the absolute best, so according to real live data in the real world, we want to make some modifications so this thing lasts longer for you guys. So as you can see here, it's our spring assembly. The top one is the current model mod kit, and then the bottom is our revised mod kit, which we just finished and we're going to be releasing soon. So this is actually going to be our third revision of this kit. I'm going to show you here what the difference is. The material obviously is different here on the bushings. The inner bushings, here, let me get rid of this here. So the inner bushings here are going to remain the same. They're great material. So these are the inner bushings right here. And here you could see the old kit. So we had the little fluoro O-rings here that make contact with the outside of the aluminum. So it definitely works well. Obviously, you know, for all you guys that have that out there, it's absolutely fantastic. Great design. We did, and we noticed that over time, you know, water does get past the seal and it does need rebuilding, or it could corrode the aluminum because the material here contacts the aluminum and they eat each other up. JD brought this to our attention and we want to revise this and bring you guys something even better than before. Here's the old design and here is our new design. So like I said, the inner bushing is staying the same, this guy here. The outer bushing is going to be a completely different material. I think it's far superior of a material. And then look at the seal here. So we're doing a custom seal here. And you can see it has a huge contact area. So look at that seal right there. Really cool. So let me bring back this bushing. Let's do a wire frame. So I know it's hard to kind of see here, but if you can see this, you got the bushing right in over here, and that's making a real great contact with the actual tensioner itself. So let's go back. I mean, the hidden edges will be a little better. No, not even gonna be easy. All right, so let's do visibility on this here. Okay, so here. So here's your new seal, which is making sweet contact. That's right here, this guy. So I highlighted for you. Look at that contact area, that's fantastic. So that should keep pretty much all the water out and stabilize the unit a bit more, and also prevent that corrosion that we were getting before. So you can see up here, the original one, or the second revision. I don't know why that didn't work. Oh, oopsie. Let's go back here. All right, so here. Now you can see our old seal here, and look at the contact area there. It's just a small portion of the face here, while you're getting full contact area over here with the new one. So this will be released soon. Once we get the O-ring in and we run out of stock on the old stuff, we're going to be transitioning to the new style. So thanks to JD from JD's Water World, you guys are going to get an even better product from us at Kawi Performance. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you later.